this video. Top 5 the strongest character ever in the Dragon Ball Z and Dragon Ball Z. Number 1. Number 5. Super Saiyan Gogeta. CSG Gogeta. Don't mad to me, guys. This is not Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta. This is Super Saiyan Gogeta. I'm take this picture kasi I have no time to find Super Saiyan Gogeta, and Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta is the best. In Super Saiyan Gogeta number 5. Number 4. In number 4, Vegito. Super Saiyan Vegito. I'm just this guy. She's strong. She's beat the Super Saiyan Super Buu, and his power level is 3. I don't know. And 50% the Super Saiyan Buu Vegeta. Super Buu Vegeta. In number 3, Super Saiyan God Goku. Super Saiyan God Goku is stronger than Fusion, stronger than Vegito in Gogeta. Number 2. Lord Bills, the God of Destruction. He beat Super Saiyan 3 Goku in his flick in his hands, and she's with the Super Saiyan God Goku in 70% his power. And number 1, the strongest in the universe, Whis. She's beat Super Saiyan Lord Bills in one chop in his neck. And she sleep, and she's super in the level of F. She's trained Goku and Vegeta. Goku and Vegeta can't hit Whis. Bye guys, top 10 the strongest character ever in the Dragon Ball. Bye guys, Whis.